Log in. Upon first-time login, the administrator will be redirected to the business account profile page to update the institution's information. That is, A. Business address, B. Business-friendly name, C. Official phone number. Note: the system will pick the official email address as has been set on the M-PESA core system. The administrator can now view the dashboard. 1. Dashboard. This gives a snapshot of A. Reconciled payments, B. Outstanding balances, and C. Total invoiced amount. On this page, the administrator can also view 1. Statements, 2. Activity logs, 3. Payment summary, and 4. Payment method summary, that is M-PESA, cash, bank, check, and transfers. 2. Student management. This view allows the administrator to A. Manage students, that is, add new students in single upload or in bulk, and export students. B. Manage groups. And C. Update parent or guardian details. Note: under Students View, the administrator or finance manager can perform actions specific to a student by selecting them. These include editing student, parent, or guardian information, invoicing the specific student, recording payments, and management of unallocated amounts. 3. Invoices. Can create single and export invoices in bulk. 4. Payments. Record and export payments in bulk, view all received payments, and manage unallocated amounts.